Hey girlfriends, so tonight we're gonna do something super easy. It's Tuesday night for me. I just need a simple, quick meal. You can do this any night to the week. So let's get started. We got some green peppers and some onions. I'm going to be using this Johnsonville Bratz beer sausage, Bratsworth, however you pronounce it, girl. We're gonna get in the kitchen. We're gonna whip this up, baby. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be very flavorful. We just need to get by. So if you're a busy mother or a busy wife, or you just don't feel like cooking for the day, this is something, girl, that is so easy and so simple, but you got a meal. So we're gonna start with browning these sausages in this cast iron pan. I put a splatter guard over it to try to help a little bit with the grease bouncing all over the place. It helps a little bit, but I like to make sure that these babies are browned up. I had to switch over to my other pan. I don't know why I didn't use my big cast iron pan, but I did, and I used this one. It's kind of, this one is big, but I should have started out in a big pan to have enough room to move around my onions and green peppers. I added some seasonings, some garlic salt, garlic pepper, and I also add some parsley flakes. I think I add parsley flakes to everything. 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 I also like to make sure that my sausage is good and done. I'm splitting them down the middle. I always split my sausages down the middle. I don't know why. I just do. I want to make sure the inside is good and done. And I don't know. This is just how I cook it. I like it like that. I don't know. Tell me how you like your sausage. You split down the middle? You just do them whole? How do you do them, girl? I feel like I like to get the flavor all up in there. You know what I'm saying? This is smelling like the fair. Oh my goodness. These scents are just going crazy in this kitchen today. Chris loves when he come in, he smell green peppers and onions. He just absolutely loves it. He be like, ooh, what you cooking in there? And I just be like, baby, something quick, easy, and real simple, but he loves it. I also decided to put me some corn. I seasoned it up really, really well. Put the corn in the oven and about to put it in the oven rather. I put butter on it, all my little seasonings, and this is what we having, y'all. We're gonna put this in the oven, let it really finish cooking down really good, the corn, and voila, it is done. So I decided to make some mashed potatoes. We have a very simple, quick, easy meal. What this took me like 30 minutes, really quick and easy, and girl, it was flavorful, very delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. I just wanted to give you some kind of suggestions for a quick, easy fix. And I'll holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl.